So Cleveland State has taken the COVID-19 pandemic seriously, and the library is no exception. We've taken special precautions to keep all members of our community safe and healthy. In keeping with the campus-wide protocols, the library is one of the several places where people can do their COVID check-in. So when you complete the COVID questionnaire, we will view your results, take your temperature, and if you do not have a fever, we will give you a wristband that will allow you to travel across campus throughout the day. That includes going between the Cleveland State main campus and the Athens campus. We currently have closed stacks. This means that the books on the shelves must be retrieved by library staff. This allows us to reduce the number of people who are interacting with the books and therefore reduce risks of contamination. If you give the library staff call numbers and titles, we will happily pull the books you need. Our meeting spaces and computer labs are also being used in a limited capacity and only with our library director's approval. Again, by limiting the number of people utilizing the meeting spaces, we are able to ensure that the spaces are being properly cleaned and allow for easier contact tracing in the event of a positive case. We're wiping down tables, chairs, and computer stations as often as possible, and the computer stations have every other station marked off to encourage proper social distancing. There are only 2 people allowed in the printing station area at any given time, and our items that are returned are put through a 4-day quarantine period in keeping with the standards put forth by the CDC and the American Library Association. Masks are required at all times and must cover both your mouth and nose. We appreciate everyone's cooperation in maintaining these standards.